The Tale of Two Bad Mice by Beatrix Potter. Once upon a time, there was a very beautiful doll's house. It was red brick with white windows, and it had real muslin curtains and a front door and a chimney. It belonged to two dolls called Lucinda and Jane. At least it belonged to Lucinda, but she never ordered the meals. Jane was the cook, but she never did any cooking because the dinner had been bought ready-made in a box full of shavings. 이 두 사람은 진짜 사람이 아니었어요. 그냥 인형이었어. 이것도 그냥 연필 깎은 부스러기만 들어있는 빈 가짜 상자였대. 이것도 가짜 집이야. 여기에 인형의 집 보이지? There were two red lobsters and a ham and a fish and a pudding and some pears and oranges. They would not come off the plates. 이 음식들은 접시에서 떨어지지 않았어요. But they were extremely beautiful. One morning, Lucinda and Jane had gone out for a drive in the doll's perambulator. 루신다랑 제인이 유모차를 타고 산책을 나갔대. 그래서 there was no one in the nursery and it was very quiet. 기회는 이때다 싶었나 봐요. Presently, there was a little scuffling, scratching noise in the corner near the fireplace, where there was a hole under the skirting board. 여기 인형의 집 들어오려고 구멍에서 엿보고 있네요. Tom Thumb put out his head for a moment and then popped it in again. Tom Thumb was a mouse. 얘네는 이 인형의 집이 궁금하고 이 안에 있는 음식 먹고 싶었대요. A minute afterwards, 헝까멍까.
헝까멍까가 여자야?
헝까멍까는 와이프야. 헝까멍까, his wife, put her head out too. Tom Thumb and 헝까멍까 went upstairs and peeped into the dining room. Then they squawked with joy. They look gorgeous. Such a lovely dinner was laid out upon the table. There were tin spoons and lead knives and forks and two dolly chairs. All so convenient. Tom Thumb set to work at once to carve the ham. It was beautiful, shiny yellow, streaked with red. 햄이 아주 먹음직스럽게 생겼대요. 빨갛고 통통하게. The knife crumpled up and hurt him. He put his finger in his mouth. It is not boiled enough. 제대로 안 삶아졌나 보네. It is hard. 너무 딱딱해. You have a try, 헝까멍까. 여보가 해보세요. 여보가 잘라보세요. Will I? 헝까멍까 stood up in her chair and chopped at the ham with another lead knife. It's as hard as the hams at the cheesemongers, said 헝까멍까. 너무너무 딱딱해요. The ham broke off the plates with a jerk. 그때 갑자기 햄이 접시에서 떨어져 나갔어요. And rolled under the table. Let it alone, said Tom Thumb. Give me some fish, 헝까멍까. 이번엔 생선을 먹어보려고 했대. 헝까멍까 tried every tin spoon in turn. The fish was glued to the dish. 이 생선이 접시에 딱 붙어 있었어요. 정말 이상하겠지? Then Tom Thumb lost his temper. 톰덤은 너무너무 화가 나기 시작했어. He put the ham in the middle of the floor and hit it with the tongs and with the shovel. Bang, 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 smash, smash. The ham flew all into pieces, for underneath the shiny paint, it was made of nothing but plaster. 햄을 꽝꽝 때려봤더니 그냥 그 흙군 안에서 석고로 된 도자기였을 뿐이었대요. Then there was no end to the rage and disappointment of Tum Tum and Hunca Munca. They broke up the pudding. hunca munca는 푸딩도 깨뜨려 봤어요. The lobsters and pears and oranges. 랍스터도 깨뜨려 보고 배랑 오렌지도 깨봤어. As the fishy would not come off the plate, they put it into the red-hot, crinkly paper fire in the kitchen, but it would not burn either. 생선이 왜 접시에서 안 떨어지지? 화로에 넣어볼까? 했는데 가짜 불이었어. 그래서 타지가 않았어. 생선이 전혀 구워지지 않았어요. Oh my! Tum Tum went up the kitchen chimney and looked out at the tub. There was no soot. 검댕이가 굴뚝에 검은 검댕이가 묻어있지 않았어요. While Tum Tum was up the chimney, Hunca Munca had another disappointment. She found some tiny canisters up on the dresser labeled rice, coffee, sago, but when she turned them upside down, there was nothing inside except red and blue bees. 여기엔 설탕도 들어있지 않았고 커피도 들어있지 않았어요. 근데 무슨 구슬 같은 것만 들어있었대요. Then those mice set to work to do all the mischief they could, especially Tum Tum. He took Jane's clothes out of the chest of drawers in the bathroom and he threw them out of the top floor window. But Hunca Munca had a frugal mind. After pulling half the feathers out of Lucinda's bolster, she remembered that she herself was in want of a feather bed. 이 털들 좀 챙겨가야 되겠다. 이거라도 가져가야 되겠다. 침대를 만들어야 되겠다. 그래서 with Tum Tum's assistance, she carried the bolster downstairs and across the hearthrug. It was difficult to squeeze the bolster in the mouse hole, but they managed it somehow. 쥐가 살고 있는 구멍 안으로 꾸역꾸역 집어넣었대. Then Hunca Munca went back and fetched a chair, a bookcase, a bird cage, and several small odds and ends. The bookcase and the bird cage refused to go into the mouse hole. 별걸 다 훔쳐가네. Hunca Munca left them behind the coal box and went to fetch a cradle. 아기 요람도 훔쳐가네. Hunca Munca was just returning with another chair when suddenly there was a noise of talking outside upon the landing. The mice rushed back to their hole and the dolls came into the nursery. 인형들이 돌아왔다. 빨리 하나라도 더 훔쳐가. Hunca Munca랑 텀썸은 화가 난 김에 마음에 드는 물건들 살림살이라도 훔쳐갔어요. 그래서 인형의 집이 텅텅 비었겠다. 어머머머, 인형들이 돌아왔네. What a sight met the eyes of Jane and Lucinda. Lucinda sat up on the upset kitchen stove and stared. And Jane leaned against the kitchen dresser and smiled, but neither of them made any remark. 인형들은 할 말이 없었어. The bookcase and the bird cage were rescued from under the coil box, but Hunca Munca has got the cradle and some of the Lucinda's clothes. 루신다가 입었던 예쁜 옷을 입고 있네. 그치? 헝까몽까가 옷을 훔쳐왔네요. She also has some useful pots and pans and several other things. The little girl that the doll's house belonged to said, I will get a doll dressed like a policeman. 인형한테 경찰 옷 입혀야 되겠다. But the nurse said, I will set a mouse trap.
나. 엄마 다리 어딨어?
So that is
이거
the
내
story.
다리야.
Shh. So that is the story of the two bad mice. But they were not so very, very naughty after all, because Tom Thumbs paid for everything he broke. 자기 신들이 망가뜨린 것을 갚으려고 했나 봐. He found a crooked sixpence under the hearthrug. And upon Christmas Eve, he and Hunca Munca scuffed it into one of the stockings of Lucinda and Jane. And very early every morning, before anybody is awake, Hunca Munca comes with her dustpan and her broom to sweep the dolly's house. 미안해서, 깨트린 게 미안해서 매일 아침 청소를 해줬대요. This is the Tiggy Winkle, Jemima Puddle Duck, Benjamin Bunny, Two Bad Mice, Jeremy Fisher, Flopsy Bunny, and the Tailor of Gloucester, Tom Kitten, and Mrs. Tittle-Mouse, and Squirrel Nut-Keen, and this is our naughty rabbit boy, Peter Rabbit. This is the end of the Tale of Two Bad Mice by Beatrix Potter.